Tiny tots, tiny tots. Old man, that cat